You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the H1 bulb on the full beams, remove the cover on the radiator. Take the white power terminal and pull on it. To undo the bulb, you must move it towards the outside of the clips on the holding stud. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then push the metal clips back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To change the H7 dipped beam bulbs, remove the cover on the car body side. Take the bulb board and make a rotation anti-clockwise. To remove the bulb from its housing, simply pull on it.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base Then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the right. Put the rubber cover back on. To remove the side light bulb, take hold of the plastic cap and make a quarter turn to the left. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the base. Then insert everything into the light and turn it 1/4 turn to the right. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.